Alright, so this is how you do tabletop walks in the perfect position. These are incredibly well for making sure that you're having a strong core, strong shoulders, and you just have stability muscle, which is incredibly important for all of us dancers. So let's hit the ground. So what you're doing here, I'm gonna stay on the side so you see, I'm making sure that my hands are right under my shoulders. Not forward, not backwards, right under my shoulders. From here, I go straight up. And from here, I try to be as stable as I possibly can. And when I'm walking with it, I'm making sure that I try to move my hips as little as possible. So if I'm walking forward here, I'm here, I walk straight forward. And I'm very connected with my core all the time. I always make sure that I have a strong core. Bump, 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 bump. So if you see that it's a small curve, it's a natural curve. Like I'm not like this, and I'm not like this. Like I'm here, boom. I try to move as little as possible. And these should be heavy on your core. These exercises are tough. This is not something that you should be able to walk in top speed several meters. They should really engage your core and engage your shoulders, which will help you a lot with your core stability. You will get stronger cambre, you will get a lot stronger frame, and all of these will be perfect for you to do in the hotel room or in your home gym or whatever the case may be, just to stay away and prevent injuries.